Alright, this is the tank with live rock finally, after several months of planning. And this is what I got. I got this live rock from a local fish store. It was very expensive. I should have went online, but I was impulsive and whatever. It's behind me now, so got the live sand, got the live rock, blah blah blah. This light, it's a cheapo light. It's not. It's the one that came with the tank. This ain't the one I'm gonna have. I just have it on now just to look at it, you know, to get a good view of the rocks and all that. There's the side. I have something in there growing. See if we get a good look at it. That thing. Focus. That, I have no idea what the hell that is. Whatever. And something over here. Don't know what that is. They're just hitchhikers of some sort. I don't know. Let's look below. Got the skimmer and all that. The sand, I need more sand in there, and I just threw that rock in there just because I couldn't really fit it up on top. I got some filter pads in there. They have some carbon in it. I figured it'll help clear it out some. That's where the heater is. That's the return. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully my light comes in pretty soon. Put that on, but I won't be cycling the tank. It's just cycling right now, so it'll be like a good 4 weeks or something like that before I start putting live stuff in there. Slightly beforehand, I might start putting some cleanup crew in there. But yeah, that's about it. Just FYI, this is 150 pounds of live rock. I think it's way too much, but these rocks are pretty damn solid. I think that's why they weigh so much. But whatever, it was an impulsive thing. I won't do it again, I hope. Alright, so till my next video, I should have my light and probably some algae. Alright, till next time.